Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Notion projects database for team task management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable the Notion projects database for team task management, begin by opening your Notion workspace. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and locate the option to create a new page. Click on the New Page button to start a fresh project. Once the new page is open, give it a relevant title such as Team Task Management. Now, in the content area, select the option. From the drop-down menu, choose Table to create a new database in table format. In the newly created table, you will see a few default columns like name and tags. To make the database more functional, rename the name column to task. Add new columns for assignee, due date, status, and priority by clicking the plus icon. For the assignee column, change the property type to person to allow team members to be assigned tasks. In the due date column, set the property type to date to specify deadlines for each task. For the status column, create a select property type and input options like to do, in progress, and completed. In the priority column, input options such as low, medium, and high. Next, you can start adding tasks to your database by filling in the rows with specific details for each task. Assign team members by selecting their names in the assignee column. Set deadlines by clicking on the cells in the due date column and choosing appropriate dates. Adjust the status of each task as needed by selecting the current status from the status column. To enhance team collaboration, consider sharing the database with your team by clicking the Share button in the top right corner. In the sharing settings, invite team members to gain access and provide appropriate permissions. Encourage your team to use the database regularly to keep track of their tasks and updates. Remember to periodically review the database as a team to ensure everyone is aligned and accountable. With these steps, you have successfully enabled a Notion projects database for effective team task management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.